Okay, we're moving on to sleeves. My sleeve is going to be just a straight. I'm thinking I should do a 3/4 sleeve because I mean it's getting hot and long sleeves may just not make sense. And I want to do sleeves. I like to do sleeveless, but I want to do sleeves so that I can show you how to cut your sleeves. So let's do 3/4 sleeves. Yeah, let's do 3/4 sleeves. So what you need for your sleeve length, you need arm width. Remember arm width from our measurement video. The arm width is 14 inches. So I'm going to be adding 2 inches to that 14 for joining allowance. To join, you know, a sleeve is like this. You join 2 together, 1 inch, 1 inch here, 1 inch here, 2 inches. 2 inches plus 14 inches, 16 inches. So I'm going to be folding by 16 inches. So always add 2 inches to your arm width. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So we'll do 8. Arm width plus 2 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So we're cutting 8 by 14. 14 plus 1 inch to close the hem of the sleeve. 15 plus half inch to join the sleeve to the jacket. 15 and a half. So I'm going to be measuring 15 and a half. So 15 and a half by 8 inches is what I have folded. And I'm going to cut it out. I cut it out. Then I'll go to my my jacket and measure what I have at the armhole. So this is 10 3/4. I have 10 3/4 by the armhole. I'm going to join the shoulder by ½ inch. Then I'll have 10 1/4 left. So 10 1/4 is for one. You know this is just front. You know that there's another back. So 10 1/4 here, 10 1/4 at the back is what the whole armhole is. But for this guy it's 10 1/4 and I folded into 2. So I'm just going to measure 10 1/4. So from here, this tip here, you put your tape rule here. You make it slant until you get the 10 1/4 or whatever it is that you get. 10 1/4 is right here. So I'm going to make a slant from here to here to make the 10 1/4. Then I find the midpoint of 10 1/4, which is 5/1/8. That's the midpoint, 5/1/8. And I just make an S-like shape. S-like shape. And then on the sleeve length, you mark the circumference of that 14, 10 inches. Then I'll add 1 inch to join it back. That's 11. That's 5.5. So from here to here, I just slant, and we're done. So you notch the center so you can know that this is the part that will enter the joining of front and back. So this is your sleeve. This is what your sleeve looks like. So I'll use this one now to cut the other one. And we're done.